And gentlemen, this is the car doctor coming to you live. Today we're doing a fuel pump fuel leakage diagnosis on a 1999 Nissan Maxima twin cab 3.0 engine. So I think this works all the way up until 95, 94, up until 99. So right now I'm gonna show you guys how to do the prelim removal. You have a 12 side sockets going around the front layers. Wire harnesses, of course. It might be removed. And so now we're gonna remove the air filter housing. You gotta, on this particular model, it might be different connectors and clamps on each one. I got a couple of different Phillips and flatheads, so basically anybody probably already have this one. On this particular engine, this housing will be replaced due to the fact it had already broken and the customer super glued it on. So, and they didn't really know the importance of it, and that's the reason why they've been having poor emission. You know, so, and we're gonna remove this.